A very kind-hearted welcome to all audience. Today we will learn about infections, its type, general infection, non-specific infection and specific infections, septicemia, toxemia, pymia, viremia, antimicrobial agent, cellulitis, carbuncle, erysipelas, anthrax, gonorrhea, syphilis, AIDS, prevention and summary. Definition of Tadia. Infection is an invasion and multiplication of microorganisms including bacteria, viruses, fungi and parasite in body tissues causing illness. Types of infection. We broadly classify infection into three categories: general infection, non-specific infections, specific infections. Ta'affundum septicemia, presence of bacteria and toxins in blood causing fever, chills and septic shocks. Tasammum dam, toxemia, condition due to absorption of bacterial toxins into blood stream. Taqihud dam, pymia, infection of blood with pus forming organism causing multiple abscesses. Next is Jarasimum dam, viremia, presence of bacteria in blood is called bacteremia. A presence of virus in blood is called viremia. Jarafim kush adviyat, antimicrobial agents, antibiotics, for example penicillin, antiviral, for example acyclovir, fafud kush, antifungal, for example fluconazole. Iltihab khalvi, cellulitis, acute spreading infection of skin and subcutaneous tissues. Bathur, boils and Shab-e-Chirag carbuncle. Boils are localized infection of hair, follicle forming pus. Carbuncle, Shab-e-Chirag, cluster of boils with deep infections. Humra, erysipelas and Jumra, anthrax. Humra is acute skin infection caused by Streptococcus varieties. This causes redness and fever. Jumra, infection by Bacillus anthracis and causes ulcers, black scab. Suzak, gonorrhea, causing organism of gonorrhea is Neisseria gonorrhoeae. Symptoms: burning, urination, pus discharge. You can also look into my different video and very detail of gonorrhea has been described there. Next is Atishk, syphilis. Causing organism is Treponema pallidum. Stages: primary cancer, secondary rash, tertiary neurological damage. This syphilis has also been described in a very detail in different videos. You can go through my channel and observe for exhaustive explanation. In this slide, 5 different specific infections, Nui Tadia, has been described and their causative organism and characteristics has been discussed. Number 1, DIC or tuberculosis, chronic lungs infection, kazaz or tetanus, muscle stiffness, juzam or leprosy, skin and nerve damage, aqama, immune autoimmunity deficiency syndrome, aqamam के नाम से भी जाना जाता है. You can have a learn detailed video on AIDS that I have described on my channels. Poliomyelitis, paralysis of limbs. खुलासा व एहतियात, summary and prevention, early diagnosis and treatment, vaccination and hygiene. Rational use of antibiotic will keep you away from the infection of microbes. Thanks for watching. Please do like, share and subscribe for more educational content on these channels. Thanks once again.